In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a multi-day event in Google Calendar, your go-to tool for seamless scheduling in 2025. Whether you're organizing a business seminar, a family reunion, or a personal retreat, Google Calendar makes it incredibly easy to manage and share your events. Let's get started by opening your Google Calendar. For those who may not have set it up as a homepage yet, you can easily access it by typing calendar.google.com into your browser's address bar, or by using the dedicated app on your devices. Once you got that open, you'll notice the familiar layout that helps streamline your scheduling tasks. Now, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a button marked with a plus sign labeled Create. Go ahead and click this button. This action will open the event editor, a very straightforward interface within Google Calendar that allows you to enter all the necessary details for your event. Next, let's focus on filling out the essential sections in the event editor. Start by typing in your event's title. This could be anything that describes what your multi-day event is about, such as annual conference or summer family gathering. Once your title is in place, it's time to specify the timing. Click on the Start Date field and choose the day your event kicks off. Google Calendar is versatile, accommodating various time zones, so make sure to set the exact time for when you want your event to start. Now that we have the start covered, it's crucial to define when your event will conclude. This is especially relevant for multi-day events. Click through to the end date. You'll notice that the calendar allows us to pick a date several days ahead. Simply select your end date and haven't changed the time, which gives your event enough scope to span across multiple days. With the basic essentials captured, we can customize further by adding more information. You have the option to include the event location, a useful feature if your meeting or event takes place in a physical space. You can also add a description for more details that participants might need to know, such as agendas, dress codes, or even including notes about guest speakers. Additionally, feel free to invite guests directly through this editor. Just type in their email addresses and Google Calendar will handle sending out those invites for you. It's incredibly handy and ensures everyone gets the details they need. Once you're satisfied with all the information, simply click the Save button, generally located at the top or bottom of the pop-up, and there you go. Your multi-day event is now integrated into your Google Calendar, ready for you and your guests to stay perfectly organized and informed. Don't forget, you can always go back and edit any event if plans or details change. Thank you for tuning in and enjoy seamless scheduling with Google Calendar.